Hi guys, this is your host and host Azad Darsi, and today we are going to cover about part 7 about today we are going to cover part 7 of Google 200 ranking factors, and today we are going to cover about brand signals. So stay tuned if you want to learn about Google 200 ranking factors, because I have covered I have covered 1 to 6 part earlier. Means I've covered domain factors, page level factors, site level factors, backlink factors, user interaction factors, special algorithm rules. These all part 1 to 6 I have covered one by one earlier. If you haven't watched, you go and watch that videos before if you really want to learn about Google 200 ranking factors. Okay, why 200 ranking factors? If you want to climb the ladder of Google, and if you want your site to rank high in Google search, or if you want your site to rank in the first page of Google, then you should learn about Google 200 ranking factors. And today we are covering about brand signals. Let's dive in. Okay, see, brand signals means starts from 164 points. Brand name anchor text. Brand name anchor text is simple. Like means you have a brand. Say in this case, I have a brand called Backlinko. Okay, Backlinko. Okay, I have a brand in this called Backlinko. Backlinko is written by professional bloggers for anyone wishing to become a professional blogger with endorsement from Forbes and the Huffington Post. This blog is the best in the business when it comes to link building, SEO, and content marketing. See, guys, brand name anchor text. This is the brand name anchor text. This is the anchor text for Backlinko. Backlinko is the anchor text for the brand name called Backlinko. Means this is the anchor text. Now this red part is the anchor text, and who has endorsed means who has written about them. Forbes and Huffington Post has mentioned in their article or in their website that when you want to uh, if you want to become a professional blogger, then you should definitely check out this blog called Backlinko by Brandin. And what they cover link building, SEO, and content marketing. And if you want to learn these all things, then Backlinko is the best website is the best website in the internet. So I hope this point is clear. Branded search is when people search about your brand, like in this case called Backlinko. If people search about Backlinko, then this is known as branded search. Backlinko founder the founder of the website is Brandon. And if people search about your what you call about your brand, in this case is what you call Backlinko, then it is known as branded search. Okay, and what Google has shown, people search for brands. If people search for your brand in Google, this shows Google that your site is a real brand. If people search about your brand, and see, guys, I haven't done anything crazy. I have just typed in Backlinko, and Google is suggesting other keywords related to Backlinko. And this guy branding has built authority, so that is why this all related keywords is also showing by Google. So that is also very important factors, ranking factors, branded search. Okay, uh, next we have brand plus keyword. Brand plus keyword is, see, guys, Backlinko I have typed plus, let's do plus. See, Backlinko plus blog, SEO, YouTube, keyword research, on page, SEO guide, link building, SEO tool, copywriting hub. This all post might be covered by this guy Brandon in his website, in his blog, in this website Backlinko. He must have covered this. That's why Google is suggesting this all topic. Okay, this all topic is suggested by Google. That is what they are saying. Brand plus keyword searches is also another ranking factor in the eyes of Google. So let's move to the other part. Site has Facebook page and with likes. Facebook page and likes, guys. This guy Backlinko, he is an authority site, so he is having Facebook page, and he must be having Facebook page with lots of likes and followers. Okay, that is what they are saying. Site has Twitter profile with followers. Definitely this guy Backlinko or any high authority sites having Twitter profile, Twitter social media account with enough followers. Okay, This is also another ranking factors. Official LinkedIn company page means you should have official LinkedIn company page. What is official LinkedIn company page? Let me take it you for that in my website. This is my website, sazadarsi.com. It's built on my personal name, Sazadarsi. Guys, when you come on this is this all social media account I have in my website. Follow me on social media: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube. I can add more, but till now I have only added 4, and that is enough. You can add more if you want. It's not an issue, but don't go more than what you call 8 account to follow, to ask your user to follow. Okay. uh, in LinkedIn, what he's saying, that official LinkedIn company page means his website is about backlinko. Then he should create a LinkedIn page. This guy Brandon should be having must have a LinkedIn page with the name of same what do you call backlinko, and there he should paste post content related to what you call whatever he is doing, like SEO, link building, content writing, content marketing. In that official LinkedIn page, he can post whatever content he is posting on his website. He can post that on the official LinkedIn company page, and this is also one of the very important ranking factor in the eyes of Google. Okay. Non-authorship is built over the time, and Google will suggest you with your profile pictures with the name. I have typed in backlinko, and who is the owner, Brandon, and what he is an American entrepreneur. Okay, when I will click on it, backlinko, let's see. As I told you, when you develop authority in the eyes of Google, then Google will suggest you that yeah, this guy is an author. And see, people also search for Brandon, and Brandon is the what you call founder of this backlinko. And when Google shows write up part about your website, then see, let me show you mine, guys, so you will understand better. See, Shahzad Arsi Digital Marketing Solutions, and beneath that, see, internet marketing service in Purnia, Bihar. This is suggested by Google. Why? Because I have uh, built a certain level of trust in the eyes of Google. That's why Google is suggesting this write-up part, Shahzad Arsi / digital marketing solution. Beneath that, internet marketing services in Purnia, Bihar. And same goes with backlinko. Okay, same goes with backlinko. Beneath that, founder Brandon, and what's his profession, American entrepreneur, right? So, and see, here also Google has shown that quote, that you should have a profile page, and this all are the write-up part. And Google will recognize this way that you are a known authority, and Google will give you a ranking signal. And this way you can build trust in the eyes of Google. So, and this is built over a period of time. When you work harder and work regularly in building quality content and providing value to Google, then you will become known author on the eyes of Google. Okay. Legitimacy of social media accounts. Legitimacy of social media accounts means, say you have 10,000 followers in your social media. Say you have 10,000 followers in social media. Say, take for example Facebook. You have 10,000 followers in Facebook, but you have only 2 post. Then what? Then Google will determine that your social media account, in this case is Facebook, is a fake account, not a real account, because Google will recognize that 10,000 followers you have on only 2 posts or 10 posts. Then in Google will recognize that your account is a fake account. And in the on the other hand, if you have 10,000 followers, and with enough content, enough interaction going in your social media or in your Facebook page, then Google will determine that yeah, this guy is having 10,000 followers with lots of interactions, lots of posts coming and lots of interaction. Then Google will recognize that you are a real person, and Google will give you weightage. on the basis of legitimacy of social media accounts. I hope this point is clear. Let's move to the next point, 172 point, that is brand mentions on top stories. Brand mentions on top stories means when someone else mention about your brand uh, on their, then it is known as brand mention on top stories. And let us do a quick Google search. I've typed in Microsoft, and I'm taking this example only, latest from Microsoft. Let me see, once I have typed in Microsoft on the Google search bar, then Google is suggesting me latest. See, watch it, latest from Microsoft, and it is pulling data from the site Microsoft 8 hours ago, 7 hours ago, 1 week ago. Latest from Microsoft, this all data is has been pulled from Microsoft account. And see, 15 hours ago, 20 hours ago, 2 days ago, these all are known as brand mentions on top stories. These all are known as brand mentions on top stories, and they are putting data within these websites called Microsoft, and whatever latest information they have posted on their website, that is they are pulling here. Okay, I hope this point is also clear. Let's move to the 173 point, unlinked brand mentions. You have two types of link, one is linked mentions and one is unlinked mentions. Link mention is someone is hyperlinking. Suppose Huffington Post has written about Microsoft, then they will link that hyperlink. In the hyperlink, they will provide Microsoft, and one guy reading Huffington Post, they will jump from Huffington Post to Microsoft using that hyperlink called Microsoft. And in the same website, if Huffington Post has not given a hyperlink in the Microsoft, if he is not linking back to Huffington Post, is not linking back to Microsoft, then that is called non-hyperlink. But Google is also recognizing that whether that person, Huffington Post or any authority sites, is linking back to you in the form of hyperlink, or it's not providing hyperlink. Both are like a ranking signal, and if you are getting hyperlink, then also good. If you are not getting hyperlink, that is back to your site, that both are good ranking signals. Last in the list, we have brick and mortar location. Brick and mortar location is a real type of business. You do a real type of business, and Google recognize and Google consider that if you are doing real business, then you should have real offices location. And if you are not having real location, then Google consider as a spam. Google consider this as a spam. So that is what they are saying. If you are someone who is providing a real business, then you should have real office. So that is what they are saying. And if you are having real office with your real business, then Google will give you a ranking signal, and if you are not having, then Google will downgrade your ranking. So that's it for this video, and we have covered part 7 in the Google 200 ranking factors, and today we have covered about brand signals. I hope you like this video, and if you haven't watched this earlier video, go and watch that earlier videos that we have covered part 1 to 6. And if you like this video, please please give a thumbs up to this video, and please share it in your community. I hope, I know that you found some background what you call background noise, so pardon me for that, forgive me for that, guys. And this type of videos takes lots of effort to make video. This type of videos take lots of effort to make, so please spread this video among your community, whomsoever you think this video might help. And that's it for this video, guys. This is your host and host Shahzad Arsi signing off for now. See you in the another exciting video. Bye, take care.